if you haven't tried chili crab before, we invited someone very special into the kitchen today to give you a little cooking demonstration on how it's all done. He is an award-winning celebrity chef in Singapore with over 2 decades of culinary experience. Please welcome Chef Eric Teo. Here he comes.
Chef Eric Teo. He's one of those really old school chefs. Without Chef Eric, chances are local food wouldn't be as established as it is today.
Eric, in your experience, what are the key items that they should really take into consideration when cooking crab?
The most important thing is when you cook a crab, don't let the crab sit outside too long. You have to understand the temperature of the crab. It is best cooked deep fried, or you can steam to preserve the freshness of the crab. Everything you do, it should be in full speed. You cannot slow cook the crab in order to keep the freshness in the whole crab. Okay? Now, best cook is live.
Seriously?
But life could mean sleeping.
And I'm just like, okay, thank you. I didn't have to actually cut up a crab that's moving.
So Eric, how about you take these guys through how you prepare the crab, some of the ingredients we're using with the chili crab?
Sure. So we have the garlic. Now, if you can't take spice, probably just, I think I'll tone down a little bit, huh? So we have candle nut, right? Ginger.
So blue ginger
Blue
or
ginger.
galangal.
Shallot, and we add a little bit of oil. You have to blend until it's a smooth paste so that when you cook, you can taste every bit of it. Okay, and then we have some corn flour here. Reasons why you need to put corn flour is to give a little good texture when you cook your sauce. So it just does the claw.
Wow.
Nice and golden. And then you remove the body first, then keep the claw for a while. You still need to cook and let it braise in the sauce.
So don't overcook your crab.
So we put the paste. Now the spices has its own flavor, so you have to cook it enough.
Oh, wow.
Can you smell it?
Oh, my God.
It's good, yeah?
So good.
So we add the tomato sauce. Okay. And this is the chili sauce, right? Sugar. Chicken stock. Put in the crab.
Oh, mama.
You let it boil, and then keep the egg there.
And how you assemble your crab is also really important. Get a little bit of height.
So usually you just get a little bit of coriander for flavor, smell.
So what do we do with a winning dish? Round of applause, I think. Oh my God, fantastic. Thank you, Chef Eric. That's amazing.